Welcome back to a new 7-minute seated cardio workout. So I will be giving verbal instruction today, but I'll make a second workout of the same, but with music only. So you can pick and choose depending on which one you like. All right, let's get started. So we're just gonna get started with walking. So just walking in place, sitting on the edge of your chair if you can. You can just get a little bit more movement that way. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Let's do that one more time. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. So we're just going to start with tapping the foot forward. We're going to change our moves every 15 seconds. So we'll just walk it out a little bit more. Let's start to get the arms into it. And tapping the foot forward, bringing the hands forward as well. So if you find this to be too much, you can just do one arm at a time. And switching to bringing the arms out to the side. Going back into a march, bringing the arms into it a little bit more now. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. So we'll go into a heel tap. And then just bring one arm up and then the other side. And then over to the side, just reaching. So if you want, you can just sit fairly still and just move the arms back and forth. If you find that too much for your shoulders, then just reach forward instead. Back into a march. And going into tapping the knee. So try and flex your abs here, tighten up your abs as you're tapping the knee. And then bringing one leg out and bringing the hands towards the leg or towards the foot. Nice deep breath again. And let's go forward, tapping with the opposite hand and the opposite foot. Back into a march, and let's just do some faster punches. So for the next one, we're going to do like a jack, so bringing the arm out to the side, and the foot will also go out to the side. Ready? So up. There you go. And then bringing the arm in front and the foot in front. And going back into that march. Nice deep breath in and out. And heel tap, and at the same time we're going to do a bicep curl and reach up. This one takes a little bit more coordination. Just do your best. And then just punching out to the side. And then it's like we're skipping rope, so you're just tapping in front. If you want, you can lift your feet up more, and that way you'll get more of an ab workout. Back into that march. The 7 minutes goes by pretty quickly. So we're going to reach both arms overhead. Again, if you find that too much, just reach with one arm. And then that angled reach. And if you want, you can lean your back a little bit to feel that more in your abs. And then going into a walk, having the arms tight, and then just bringing the arms in circles or the hands in circles. Trying to relax the shoulders. Other direction. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. Okay, tapping the knee, other side, out to the foot. So knee, knee, foot, foot. One more. And back into a march. One more minute. So we're going to tap behind and press. Keep with the tapping behind, and let's press the hands back to work the triceps. Every time you're pressing those hands back, you're flexing the triceps. Walk it out, nice deep breath in, arms are coming up, and big breath out. One more, and breathe out. And that is it. Let's just bring the shoulders back. 2 more times. Bring the hands together, press the hands forward. And then bring the hands back, feel that stretch through your chest. And I'm just gonna finish with a neck stretch, just dropping the air down to the shoulder. And then over to the other side. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.